June 4th edition of the Carolina Weather Video. I'm meteorologist Matthew East here along with you. Some weather changes underway, and I think in the opinion of most folks, some welcome weather changes underway. Had a really warm and steamy day yesterday across the region. These were the final high temperatures across the Carolinas. Look at Columbia, 95. Had upper 80s across most of the Triad region, even 90 in Burlington yesterday. Hit 90 in Monroe and Concord and Rockingham, 91 in Wadesboro, even Boone at 80 yesterday. And then we wound up with some big thunderstorms again yesterday. Well, look at that. Looks like the Winston-Salem State camera stopped updating for us yesterday. But there's the Charlotte Dowd YMCA camera looking nice this morning. Temperature in the Queen City 68. Notice the wind northwest at 8 miles per hour. That is bringing in a different type of air mass for us. These are your temperatures as we speak. 58 in Boone, 60s for a lot of the Piedmont, still some 70s in the Sandhills and coastal South Carolina. All right, some big thunderstorms yesterday. They really developed in the Kentucky-Tennessee area and then dropped across the mountains and down into parts of western North Carolina during the afternoon and the evening hours, really late afternoon and evening. A number of severe thunderstorm warnings, a number of severe weather issues. Those symbols there represent hail or wind reports that happened late in the day yesterday. Changes underway, though. Cold fronts moved on through the region. High pressure building in behind it, and you look at Futurecast here, it is an extremely quiet weather setup over most of the eastern part of the country as we go through the next couple of days. Really nice stuff overall. Radar quiet for the time being over the Carolinas. A few showers and storms overnight in the Outer Banks region. They are heading out to sea, and you have some thunderstorms in Texas, and that area will stay unsettled. But aside from that, it's going to be very, very quiet here over the eastern part of the country. So northwesterly flow in place. Watch this drier air taking hold. When we look at your dew points today, much drier air mass settling into the region. And so it's a nice weather setup. There's your highs today. Beautiful setup with lower humidity taking hold. And look at these lows tonight. That'll feel great. Nice refreshing morning for a lot of the mountains, foothills, and Piedmont. Tomorrow looks good. Beautiful Tuesday. Sunshine and highs that look like that tomorrow afternoon. Then we get out to Wednesday. Very, very nice stuff as well. Your Wednesday highs look like that across the region. All right, tropical update. It is still very quiet across the Atlantic Basin. We take a look at the Atlantic Ocean, Caribbean Sea, and Gulf of Mexico. Nothing of significance ongoing. A few disorganized thunderstorms there in the western Caribbean Sea, but nothing that's anything of concern. So it is quiet with no sign of any tropical development across the Atlantic Basin over the next 5 days. Now let's fast forward to the weekend. Our next cold front begins to approach from the north, so that's going to bring back some better shower and thunderstorm chances of the weekend. I think especially Sunday as that front gets a little closer to us, so back to some scattered thunderstorm chances over the upcoming weekend. All right, that's it for the latest edition of the Carolina Weather Video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.